So guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you what happened last week on gold. You can see we started the week from here, Monday 25 August. So first thing I do every day, I go to the daily time frame, then mark my previous day high and previous day low. So let me do it. So as you can see, I marked my previous day high and my previous day low. I marked the Friday high and the Friday low. So the next thing I need to find is if I could find any breaker block on the daily time frame. So as you can see, I have already spotted one breaker block right here. Let me mark it. That is the daily time frame breaker block. So I have already marked it. What we are expecting on Monday is that price will come back to the daily breaker block with some lower time frame confirmation, then you can enter the trade. So let's jump to 4-hour time frame. So this is 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, you have to mark also the breaker block you can spot here. So I have just marked the two important breaker block that I can spot on the 4-hour time frame, right here and right here. So what I was expecting on Monday is that I need price to come back here then before start pushing up, but that is not what happened. Price just push back here to this fair value gap using this breaker block support to start pushing back up, but with the 1-hour time frame confirmation we can still catch this buy here on Monday. So let's jump to the 1-hour time frame. So this is the 1-hour time frame. Don't forget that on the daily time frame we have a bullish breaker block. That means we are just looking for buy. So this is the 1-hour time frame, and this is where I start trading from. London session, London open. So let me check if I can spot any breaker block also on the 1-hour time frame. So guys, on the 1-hour time frame, I spot this breaker block right here. To make sure this breaker block is safe and valid to trade, I need to go to the 15-minute time frame and look for more confirmation before I open any position. So let's jump to the 15-minute time frame. Here's the 15-minute time frame. So whenever I come to the 15-minute time frame, the first thing I need to do is to mark the previous session high and previous session low. So let me mark it. So this is the previous session high and the previous session low. So what I was expecting on Monday is that price to sweep this previous session low and sweep it before I can look for any trade. So that is not what happened on Monday. Even though I mark London low, this is New York low. New York refused to sweep the London low right here. You can see. So there was no valid trade on Monday. Let's move to the next day. So guys, this is the next day right here, Tuesday 26 August. So we need to mark the previous day high and the previous day low. So this is it right here, previous day high and previous day low. So next thing to do is to look for any breaker block. You can see this breaker block is still active. Price came back to it on Monday. That is it. That is what price did on Monday. Then now on Tuesday we have to look for a push up. This breaker block is holding. So let's move to 4-hour time frame. Guys, this is the 4-hour time frame. We do the same thing. We look for another breaker block. So let me find if I could spot any breaker block. So guys, this is the only breaker block I can spot right here. This breaker block from yesterday on Monday. Apart from the breaker block we have marked, this one and the one up here. So let's move to the 1-hour time frame too. So guys, this is the 1-hour time frame. You can see as price have tapped into the 4-hour time frame breaker block before it even comes to the market. This is where I start trading. This is where I come to the chart. London open. Is where markets have already tapped in. So we have to look for another breaker block, 1-hour time frame breaker block that I've already spotted right here. This is it. So let me mark it. This is right here. So 15-minute time frame to look for more confirmation. So here's the 15-minute time frame. Whenever I come back to the 15-minute time frame, I always mark the previous session high and the previous session low. So let me do it. So guys, this is previous session low and this is the previous session high right here. So what I'm looking for is I need London to sweep the Tokyo session low, which it has already done right here. You can see it. Price can sweep this low. Pay very good attention here. You see twice came back, sweep the previous session low, sweep it, then sweep it in the breaker block. For more confirmation, you sweep in the 1 hour time frame breaker block and the 4 hour time frame breaker block. So after price have sweep previous session low, I need another liquidity grab on the 15-minute time frame. At least it will form using the minimum of 5 candlestick. You can see this is right here. So let me mark it for you. So you can see it's right here. At price came to sweep this low. This is what I'm looking for. So after that, I will go to the 5-minute time frame to look for my entry confirmation. So when I'm on the 5-minute time frame, what I really need here is 5-minute breaker block to form. So on the 5-minute time frame, what I just need is a 5-minute breaker block. You can see this is right here. Then I'll just enter my buy position. Stop loss right here. Then TP. What my TP is 1:2 or 1:3. 1:2 or 1:3. Let me target 1:3. As you can see, price hit my TP. So on Tuesday was a successful trade.